Okay, as with any sort of modelling, we sort of take into account what the variables are that we're modelling, and in this case it's the value of a car and its value and how it depreciates over time, t in years. So we can see our model here. So we can see that the volume here is given by 25,000 minus 3,500 t. And so we want to try and interpret not just the math of it, but the practicalities of it. So first up, we're interested in the initial value, and initial value always means t is equal to 0. It's initial anything. So at t equal to 0, we can see straight away that the value of the car is $25,000. The depreciation, i.e. how much is it going down each year? Well, that's really the change in the value, isn't it? And that's our gradient of the line. So our value is going down by $3,500 each year. So that's the depreciation amount. Well, the value of the car after 5 years, so 5 years is t, the t value, so t equal to 5, we substitute that into our equation, we'll get 25,000 minus 3,500 times 5, which is 25,000 minus 1,750, which should give me hopefully $7,500. There's the value of the car 5 years later. Now, after how many years will the car's value depreciate to 0? So we want V equal to 0 here. So that means substituting into the equation 0 is equal to. So 0 is equal to 25,000 minus 3,500 t. So now we want to rearrange and solve that for t. So let's take 3,500 t, across, and then we'll get t is equal to 25,000 over 3,500. Look, we could probably use a calculator, simplify a fraction, get rid of a few zeros. So we'll end up with 250 over 35 at some stage. And 5 jumps out as a sort of common factor there. So 5 into 250 is 50, 5 into 35 is 7, so 7 7 are 49. So we get 7 and 1/7 years. So that's how long. So after that, our car value is down to 0. So if we do a quick sketch, really important when we're modelling that the graph that we use or the graph that we draw just represents real values. So in this case, time is going to be greater than 0 because it doesn't make sense to depreciate a car in negative time, nor does it make sense to have any volume or any values less than 0. So we're just going to sketch in that top right quadrant.